In this demo, I will create a letter document in DynamicMail, send it as an email PDF, and verify the delivered message in Gmail. I start in the DynamicMail letter workspace and open Create New Letter. This is the same editor surface used for email templates, but here the workflow is set to letter mode because the output we want is a PDF document. The delivery mode is email PDF, so the recipient gets a normal email with a secure document link and the letter attached as a PDF. Next, I describe the letter I want the agent to prepare. The instruction asks for a professional customer letter with reusable dynamic fields. The agent-assisted flow prepares the document structure, and the editor exposes fields such as the recipient name, company name, due date, and account manager. Those fields are the important part of the workflow. Instead of manually rewriting the same letter for every recipient, I can keep one approved document structure and populate it with safe values for each send. For this demo, the values are synthetic, a demo recipient name, a demo company name, a due date, and a DynamicMail account manager. Before anything is sent, I load the PDF preview. DynamicMail renders the letter as a document, so the sender can review the final output and confirm that the dynamic values are in the right places. This avoids sending an unfinished template or a document with missing fields. Now I set the recipient to the authenticated demo Gmail inbox and send the document using email PDF delivery. The send is guarded to one recipient for this production recording. DynamicMail records the outbound delivery, includes the PDF attachment, and creates a secure document access link for the recipient. After the send completes, I switch to a sanitized delivery view. This is built from the authenticated Gmail verification result, but it does not show the full live mailbox, unrelated email, message IDs, or private access links. The delivered message has arrived from DynamicMail.ai notifications. It includes the secure document delivery text, a redacted document access button, and the generated PDF attachment. The reason this matters is that DynamicMail keeps the sender workflow and the recipient workflow connected. The sender sees the letter before it is released, and the recipient receives an ordinary email experience with the PDF and secure access path. The demo also keeps the production controls visible. Only synthetic values are used. The send is restricted to one verified mailbox, and the public Gmail view is sanitized before publishing. This is the complete loop for letter documents. Create the letter, use the agent to draft reusable content, populate dynamic fields, preview the PDF, deliver it by email, and verify the exact delivered message. The same pattern can be used for customer notices, account letters, onboarding documents, reminders, and other business communication where the document needs to be reviewed before it is sent.